y'all, just wanted to show you a brand new addition to the family, to my closet. Yes, super excited to show you guys what I just got. And I'm gonna try to show you guys a couple of ways to wear this thing, or how to style it, or whatever. No, not style it. I'm gonna show you how to wear it, how to put it on, because I'm not changing my outfit at all. Because your girl is looking a little Alright, so I guess first things first, before I lied, before I jump right in, let's move that up a little bit. So before I jump right in, I want to talk about this bag, okay? So Gucci did a nice little thing by revamping their bag from this old, classic style though. Their bag used to look like this. I was a huge fan, but look at the difference. Like, this looks more classic and clean, and this is just upscale. I don't know, I like this. And this is also made out of 100% recyclable material, and these are also made from polyester, or recycled polyester. I had to read a little bit because there's some text in there. But getting to the interesting and exciting part, the box. This box is super, super pretty. I think this is like a paisley print that they have on the box. And the old one, this is the old box. And the new one, right? So which one did you guys go with? So anyway, I'm feeling the green, and what I'm gonna show you guys today is in the green. I literally just scuffed myself. Oh, goodness gracious, this boy scared me. Kobe, can you get down, please? Kobe, please, brother. Please, brother. Let's get down. No. Oh, you're on my shirt. You're on my shirt. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Kobe, why? Please, let me just record in peace. Get down, Papa. Get down. Good boy. Good boy. Goodness gracious, he never likes me to record in peace. But yeah, like before I said that, I just scratched myself on the corner of my chin with the box. But okay. So I got my nice little reusable dust bag. Take that out. Don't mind the mess in here, because this was inside the bag, but I took it out already. And these are all your little I guess authentication, verification little cards and stuff. But let's get into the good part, which is the bag, which is the Dionysus Super Mini Supreme version. I think this is a super neutral bag, and I would dress it down really, really nicely. I have so many ideas, or outfit ideas, in my head already. I just had to get my hands on this bag before, you know, I changed my mind. This bag is super, super versatile. Let me just give you a little like close-up shot. You can see over here, this is like this metal Dionysus head, and it's a horseshoe. And then you have your double G. These are the very classic G patterns. Take this out real quick. And then you have, I don't know if this is real suede or not, but then you have suede all throughout. You have that in the front, you have it on the sides, you have it under. And let me open that real quick. It's a snap open bag. Hold on. The chain is like rubbing against whatever material, and it's just being very loud. So yeah, so you have like suede or whatever all throughout. Let's take that. Okay, because that got me a little, you know, a little nervous there. And then inside you have your Gucci emblem embedded in the leather, made in Italy. And then you also have this stupid chain. Oh my gosh. And you also have this little clip in here to help you wear it as a belt bag, and I'm gonna show you right now. moved my chair over and then dear Kobe went and stole it. So let's just pretend I'm sitting in a chair, I'm not crouching down. But either way, so these are a couple of ways that I found that you could wear this bag. So let me know if you have any other ways, and please let me know what you think. If you find this bag cute, if you found this video helpful or informative, please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye guys.